I have to upload. It's been 2 days. Oh, hello there. Welcome to the second episode of ExplainYeep. So today, like you saw in the title, we will talk about fireworks, what they do and how much they cost, and their history. So let's get right into it. So, this is a firework. If you drop them, they just drop and they don't launch you. But if you throw them like this, they will launch you. Right now, the only way to make fireworks without moving you is doing this. Fireworks. Here, I'll make a show. Oh. Ah! They're very chaotic. And something else. These used to cost 500, but now they cost 800. Inflation, I guess. And yeah, that's what the firework does. You can find the firework in the regular tech web, and you can find it right here at the tippy top. Costs 800. And that is what fireworks do. Goodbye. See you next time. That should be good for today. I go back to bed, man. Okay, guys, the coast is clear. Okay, dude. Okay, time to go down. Hey, yo, buddy, who are you?
Yeah, why are you here?
You guys really have to get better with faces. It's me, Jim. Oh, sorry, dude. Just don't tell boss. This is like the third time. I won't tell boss, okay? Hi, boss. It's about time, so tell me the news. I wasn't able to catch him. Are you kidding me? I gave you a week. I've captured thousands of people. Show me you can capture one. Or else I will fucking end your life. I'm sorry. I'll do better next time. Yeah? And what if there isn't a fucking next time? What will you do? Leave. Now! I will capture him if it's the last thing I do.